Yo, what's good, party people? Listen, y'all already know when I put on the frames, that means I mean business. So listen, I need you to hear what I'm getting ready to tell you. I need you to go ahead and mark your calendars for Monday, March the 4th at 7 p.m. Eastern time. The link should be going across the screen right now. I'm also going to drop it down in the description of the video. What's going on, Walt? Listen, I am doing a live webinar for you. Not one of these pre-recorded recurring webinars that we all have attended, signed up for, and we just sit there. They don't engage with us in the chat, and we just got to wait for them to really give us the offer. I mean, we know what's coming. Just
give it to me, give it to me, give it to me, just give it.
Just sell to me. Give me what it is that you're really trying to do. But no, I'm doing a live webinar. You're going to get me. You're going to get the John the Baptist of content creation. I'm crying loud and I'm sparing not. And in this wilderness of content creation, you got locust and you got honey. You got those good days when things are popping off and everything is sweet. And then you got those days where you just feel like what everybody else is doing, you feel like quitting because you feel like every time you take 10 steps forward, you get knocked back 100 and everything is being devoured. Especially when you're out here by yourself and you don't really know what to do. You don't have a blueprint. You don't have a roadmap. You don't know what direction to go. Listen, I get it. I understand. I've been there. And the reality of it is I'm still there, you know, at some stages in my life. But I want to make sure that I give you everything that I know. I want to make sure that I give you the secret sauce. I want to make sure that I give you the tools, the tips, the tricks, the strategies that's going to help you master the art of content strategy. This is so important because content is king. Content is the new currency. We see that the creators economy is booming right now. So if you're an entrepreneur that's trying to increase your bottom line, you want to increase your digital online presence, you want to show up. If you're a podcaster, you want to show up. If you're trying to figure out how to start a podcast and you want to really understand how to lay a foundation that's going to make sure that you just don't do a couple of episodes, but you're celebrating 100 episodes at some point soon, you want to show up. If you're a CEO, if you're a business owner, if you're a leader in the faith-based space, a nonprofit sector, listen, content is everywhere and everything is content. But here's the thing we already know. If you're trying to reach everybody, then you're really reaching nobody. So that's why the strategy is important. I want to show you how to show up as your best self. You know what I'm saying? We don't need another MKBHD. We don't need another Mr. Beast. We need you. I'm going to show you how to show up as your authentic self. I'm going to show you how to speak to your audience, how to really understand them. What are their pain points? How to speak the language that your audience speaks. I'm going to show you how to convert, you know what I'm saying, your viewers into brand ambassadors, or what we call evangelists, where they're carrying the message of your content for you. Listen, again, if you haven't done it by now, hopefully you're still watching the video, but hopefully you just say, yo, if Walt is doing this, then I know it's going to be dope. I need you to go ahead, go to that link that you see there on the screen down in the description. Mark your calendars, March the 4th, 7 p.m. We're not even doing our live. Well, we may do it. I don't know. We may do an after party. We may do a pre-show, but we normally go live on Mondays at 7 p.m. Eastern. Not happening because I want to make sure that I'm showing up for you guys. So go ahead. And those of you that want kind of some one-on-one time, I threw something in there special for you as well at a special discount. But listen, again, March the 4th is going down 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'm telling y'all know I got the frames on. So that means I mean business. I'm giving you everything that I have. You will not regret it. And also, I can assure you this, you will never see that price again. Seats are limited. So while you yet have breath in your body and you have the full activity of your limbs, go ahead, register today for the Mastering the Art of Content Strategy webinar. I'll catch you guys on Monday, March the 4th. I can't wait to see you. Let's get it.